Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Matiullah coming in from the blue corner representing Team Cax. This kid again comes from a very strong background of wrestlers, and whenever you talk about Team Cax, wrestling pops out into your mind. Now we'll see how Matiullah goes against Shayan from Team 8 and representing Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Matiullah, this kid is a seasoned fighter. The kids which he trains with, you know, the background with which he comes from, and he's been doing it for a very, very long time. He's excited, he's geared up and looking for the victory.
Yeah, Shayan Mehndi, one of the standouts from last year. You can say he was last year's Shahab in a lot of ways. He was able to really impress, lost a narrow fight in the finals to one Arslan Abbasi. Let's see how he does in this tournament.
Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the next fight. Please welcome to the cage representing Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in the blue corner, Matiullah!
Matiullah donning the green and white, representing Pakistan, but of course has the Cax logo on his shorts. But on your screen right now, Shayan Mehndi, a prospect, of course, of the Mountain Warrior system, flanked by Mujahid Beg, Ziad Dareem. This guy was so impressive last year, went through all of the fights up to the final with ease, and of course the final, he got one Arslan Ali Abbasi, a seasoned veteran, who we did see lose yesterday, but nonetheless was a great prospect in last year's strawweight bracket. Let's see how Shayan Mehndi does today against Matiullah. Salman, we just saw one fighter from Cax Fight Club, Mohib, of course, the zombie, come up short just now. How do you think that affects team morale, and how do you expect this fight to play out?
It really depends on the mindset of the fighter going into the cage. Now it's the team's job to stay motivated, to keep the morale up, despite the result of any previous fight.
Please welcome
Shayan enters the cage
referee in
now.
charge of the cage, Osama Mehboob.
We're about to be underway with the second bout of the evening. We have Matiullah versus Shayan. Matiullah in the blue, Shayan in the red.
Referee Osama Mehboob in the middle, the final semi-final of the men's strawweight category. Daniel Nasir Mirza here with me, Ali Sina, Salman. But we get underway with the first round. The action rolls on and goes non-stop tonight at the National Fighting Tournament 3.
I've got an exciting feeling that this fight is not going to last a long time. Both fighters ready, coming in hot. Matiullah in the blue, Shayan in the red, just measuring their distance right now.
Both of them feeling each other out here. Shayan stands in the center. Both making reads on each other. Both high-level fighters, and that's exactly what you expect to see when two very high-level fighters go up against each other.
What I like is that Matiullah is taking his time in throwing strikes. Shayan went for a leg kick, missed. Matiullah is just very composed. Again, Shayan goes for a leg kick, shoots. Matiullah.
He was ready for that.
Yeah.
He was ready and anticipating a shot. I mean, it's very encouraging to see so many teams opt to start grappling with Cax, thinking they can hang with them, and we've seen a lot of them hang with him. Shahab really worked out that wrestling pressure that Cax brings. Yesterday we saw Asghar get completely dominated by Zishan Akbar, which is such a sight to behold.
Yes.
It means everyone's now starting to catch up to what Cax is doing in the gym.
Both fighters tied up with each other. Each fighter trying to put the other against the fence. And now we have a separation and reset.
Strong hold by Shayan, man. He was exerting all the pressure and power he could on Matiullah, but Matiullah, again, even in the scramble, beautiful left hook by Matiullah while taking a step back and going for the submission now. He's got it tight.
I don't think, okay, now he's trying to go for that ninja choke. Let's see if he can potentially get it. But he has that left arm over the right arm of Shayan. If he gets that in, gets a tighter grip, then it is definitely a problem, but Shayan definitely has this one scouted out.
Yeah, Shayan's working his way through the fence here. Matiullah trying to get that left arm under. Shayan making it difficult with the tight grip there.
Man, I love how patient Matiullah is. And again, Matiullah takes him down to the ground.
Well, more like pulls guard.
Yeah.
But the problem with this Ali is that if Shayan's able to get his head out, then he will definitely be in the dominant
Yeah.
position.
And this right now is doing nothing to Shayan right now. He's in a very comfortable position. Matiullah is just exhausting his energy right now.
Matiullah is trying to get that left arm of Shayan. He's attacking it very aggressively.
Round almost coming to a close. Will be interesting how the judges see this one. Matiullah opting to almost pull guard here. Might work in his detriment. Fights are about optics. Shayan, even though not in the most dominant position, is on top.
Good shots by Matiullah to the lower back, and these shots count. He's landed around 10 to 15.
Yeah, there we go. That's beautiful.
Oh,
That
in
sweep,
the last 2 seconds.
that sweep and those strikes might have just earned him the round. Good first round for Kax Fight Club. They're happy with that. Matiullah sweeping Shayan right at the end. Shayan opting to go for the wrestling exchanges early, but clearly did not work out as he might have expected.
Yeah, man. Look, then again, like I noticed initially, Matiullah was being very patient, managing his distance well, knowing when to throw a strike, when to counter, when to take a step back. And again, he knows what he's here for. He's here to be in the final tomorrow at SA Gardens, live at Kaku.
Yeah, you see Salman, the geniuses behind the success of Kax Fight Club in the last couple of years. We are underway with round number 2 as Sami Khan closes the cage door. Measuring and looking for that first attack as both fighters.
Yeah, in the previous round, we saw both fighters did very well in the clinch until Shayan gave his neck and he found himself in a bad spot.
Again, these fighters, they're taking their time, but once they unload like crazy. Oh, good inside kick, but then again, Samiullah read that. Matiullah, my apologies.
No worries.
I knew something was wrong.
Aren't you a Kax guy?
No, not on air.
Not on here. That's a good answer. Inside leg kick, of course, from Shayan. Let's see if he can set something up. Throws another.
He's going for it again. He's going for it again.
Might be setting up something bigger here. We saw him shoot in the last round. Physically, Shayan seems like the most imposing fighter.
Shayan fading with those low kicks now, trying to make Matiullah keep guessing.
Matiullah can't always be on the back foot. He needs to initiate something, a takedown, a strike, because Shayan is going to keep on landing these strong kicks.
Amazing, amazing work there by Shayan.
Beautifully set up. Inside leg kicks, that outside leg kick, and then he opts to go for that shot.
Matiullah is trying to get back up, but Shayan's pressure dragging him through the octagon right now, right in front of the commentary booth.
Shayan trying to posture off.
Matiullah's doing a good job. Matiullah's doing a good job. He needs to use his backhand, but Shayan's pressure, man, it just keeps on getting more and more. What a dominant way to start the second round by Shayan.
Shayan giving a thumbs up. He's in no kind of danger here. Matiullah already wrenching on that, but he needs to create some more leverage.
Shayan trying to get into a dominant position here, maybe into side control or full mount.
Yeah,
But-
Shayan's neck is compromised, pardon me, Salman.
Yeah, he was trying to posture off, but Matiullah got a hold of that neck and he's cranking it.
He's really cranking it right in front of us here.
Oh, that's a strong hold by Matiullah, man. He does not look powerful, but what he's showing right now is that once he gets his hands on you, you're in trouble.
Yeah, but see, that's good by Shayan to try to move out from Matiullah's guard. Now he's in
Yes.
side control. His neck should be relatively more comfortable. Less torque from Shayan. Matiullah, pardon me, and he's out.
It's out.
Great job by Shayan Mehndi.
This is his moment now. He needs to start getting busy. He needs to be able to posture up and get away from that grip of Matiullah.
Last 10 seconds of the second round from Matiullah versus Shayan. Then again, what a takedown, what good control by Shayan, but Matiullah again on the defensive side, consistently trying to go for submissions. Round number 3 to determine who goes into the final. Third and final round. Matiullah needs to come out in a different way, because if Shayan keeps what he did in the last round, it's not going to be a good ending for Matiullah.
Shayan was doing very well of feigning with those low kicks, staying out of range for those takedowns by Matiullah. And if he can just keep Matiullah on his back foot and keep kicking him and set up those takedowns just like that with the hooks, he goes up top and then he goes low. So let's see if he can do that again.
A beautiful left right by Shayan. An extremely powerful leg kick landed before that. Shayan is on right now. He needs to what he wants is he needs to finish his fight, and he keeps on feinting that overhand right.
A lot of setups here by Shayan Mehndi up till round 3. It's like he's learning as he's going along. He was ready for that takedown, did slip a bit, but recovers well. Now they're in that over-under battle, but Shayan Mehndi once again lands a takedown and the crowd comes alive.
Yeah, Matiullah was waiting for that low kick to get a takedown of his own end, but Shayan Mehndi was able to get out, and now he's up on top.
That's how he set it up. He was confusing Matiullah with the low kick and again went for the takedown. But good scramble by Matiullah, and both fighters are up right now, ladies and gentlemen. They're fighting for their way into the finals for tomorrow.
Shayan seemingly more flat-footed than Matiullah right now. He's just trying to stay on the outside, not make any rash decisions here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful timing on that takedown.
Matiullah read that one, but Shayan back on top.
The adjustments Shayan is making mid-transition is just excellent. Shayan Mehndi is doing everything right here. We might be seeing 2 high-level CACs prospects get eliminated in 2 respective semi-finals.
Back to back.
Again, is just a testament to how fast the scene is growing here in Pakistan. Mohammad Suleiman is really active right now in the corner. They need Matiullah to get up and get out of this position. Shayan Mehndi continues to impress.
Shayan staying busy.
And the crowd is cheering loudly for Shayan. They want him to win the last minute of the 3rd and final round, ladies and gentlemen. And Shayan, again, he wrote the script for himself. He knew what he needed to do. Land the low kicks, feint the takedown, and then shoot for the takedown and get Matiullah on the ground, because in the 2nd round, he felt he could control him well. And that's what we're seeing right here.
Shayan beautifully transitions into side control here. And you can expect him start throwing those hammer fists. Matiullah doing his best not to get hit, trapping the arms of Shayan.
Not a lot of time left here on the clock. Shayan Mehndi recovered well in round 2. Continue to do the same thing in round 3. The crowd is alive for Shayan Mehndi here.
Shayan's corner celebrating
Strong
already.
shots by Shayan. What a way. What a way to end this fight, and what a way to make your way into the finals.
Congratulations to Team Mountain Warriors. Congratulations to Team 3G. Congratulations potentially to Shayan Mehndi. What an excellent performance by this young man.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of intense MMA action, the judges have made a unanimous decision for your winner. Moving on to the finals, representing Team 8,
Shayan Mehndi punches his ticket to a 2nd straight final in 2 years. The young man has really risen to the occasion. We've seen CACs Fight Club lose 2 semi-finals back to back. They are catching up now, the rest of the teams are, and you have to be happy with that.